Very good morning to all my dear children. Welcome back with another lesson. My dear children, in the last class we were talking about dinosaurs. So, do you want to learn more about them? Do you want to learn their lifestyle? So, you got to open your English learner's book. Page number is given on the screen and let's continue to read about dinosaurs. Before we could move with explaining of the lesson and understanding the concept and lifestyle of dinosaur, we need to read the lesson first so that it helps us to understand the lesson half the way. So, let us begin with reading the lesson. Dinosaur Q&A. Could dinosaurs walk on two legs? Yes, some walked on two legs. Others walked on four legs. Most meat-eating dinosaurs, like Allosaurus, walked on two legs. This left their hands free to grab the animals they wanted to eat. Could dinosaurs run? Yes, they could. Some dinosaurs, like Gallimimus, could run very fast. They could probably run about 70 kilometers per hour. A grown-up Apatosaurus was much bigger than the meat-eating Allosaurus, so it didn't need to run. But a baby Apatosaurus could be a tasty meal for a hungry Allosaurus. Scientists think that baby Apatosauruses could run quite fast on their two back legs when they needed to get away. How did dinosaurs use their tails? Dinosaurs' long tails helped them to keep their balance as they ran. A huge Apatosaurus sometimes stood on its two back legs to eat leaves at the top of a tree. Its long tail helped it keep its balance as it ate. Ankylosaurus used its tail as a weapon. Ankylosaurus could swing its heavy tail to break the legs of any dinosaur which tried to eat it. Could dinosaurs make a noise? Most dinosaurs probably made some kind of noise. Scientists are not sure what noises they made. Did they hiss like a snake, or roar like a lion, or honk like a goose? What do you think? The Parasaurolophus had a big tube on its head. Scientists think that the tube made sounds like a musical instrument, loud and low. Parasaurolophus was a plant-eating dinosaur, so perhaps it used its loud call to warn the others when a meat-eating dinosaur was near. So, we read the lesson, and it is very important, my dear children, to read the lesson first. And you got to read and make sure that you send an audio clip of you reading the lesson to me personally. So let's see what are we going to learn from this lesson. We are going to learn about the lifestyle of the dinosaurs. Now, there are many types of dinosaurs. Well, dinosaurs are not anymore existing in this world. Now you got to tell me one thing. What would your reaction be if you could see dinosaurs still today? I would have got very scared because the dinosaurs are so huge. They could kill us or maybe eat us. Well, but lucky we are because we don't have any of these dinosaurs in this world anymore. Have you ever seen a movie called Jurassic Park? If not, you got to watch the movie. This movie has got all about the dinosaurs who try to ruin the world. You might get scared at the beginning, but some of them would love to watch the movie. So you want to see dinosaurs? So you got to watch this movie for sure. Well, let's come back to the lesson. Don't get distracted. Well, could dinosaurs walk on two legs? Yes, some walked on two legs. Others walked on four legs. Well, when we see these pictures of the dinosaurs, we can see that they are having four legs, isn't it? But there are some of the dinosaurs that could walk only on two legs, but there are most of the dinosaurs which could walk on all the four legs. Now, here we get introduced by a dinosaur called Allosaurus. Now, Allosaurus is a meat-eating dinosaur. A meat-eating dinosaur means the ones who eats the flesh of other animals. That's why they are called meat-eating animals. So Allosaurus is one type of dinosaur who is eating meat and he walks on two legs. Well, this left their hands free to grab the animals they wanted to eat. So we know the dinosaurs. This is an Allosaurus. Okay, so we see that Allosaurus could use four legs to walk, but Allosaurus could walk on two legs. Could you see in this picture? Yes, they could walk on two legs. Well, the other part of the body is left free. Why? So that they could eat animals they wish to eat. And if they eat animals, what can we call them? We can call them meat-eating dinosaurs. Let's see about the speed of the dinosaurs and also if they could run. Yes, they could. So here we understand that dinosaurs can also run. Some dinosaurs like Gallimimus could run very fast. They could probably run about 70 kilometers per hour. So we get introduced with another animal, another dinosaur called Gallimimus. Repeat with me, Gallimimus. So Gallimimus is another type of dinosaur which could run very fast. What is the speed of this Gallimimus? Its speed is 70 kilometers per hour. So we can understand that Gallimimus is a sporty dinosaur. Here you could see the picture of Gallimimus. So till now we learned about two animals, Allosaurus and Gallimimus. We learned about Allosaurus that it could walk on two legs and it loves to eat meat and it left its hand free so that it could grab animals which they want to eat. Then we came to know about Gallimimus. The speciality, the quality of Gallimimus is that he could run very fast. It could run at the speed of 70 kilometers per hour. I will ask you a question back again. Do remember and don't forget. Let's continue. A grown-up Apatosaurus was much bigger than the meat-eating Allosaurus, so it didn't need to run. Now we get introduced with the third dinosaur in the lesson, and the name of the dinosaur is Apatosaurus. Apatosaurus. Now, Apatosaurus is much bigger than the meat-eating Allosaurus, so it didn't need to run. Since Apatosaurus was bigger than Allosaurus, Apatosaurus did not want, and there was no need for Apatosaurus to run like Allosaurus because his walk could be enough to catch Allosaurus. But a baby Apatosaurus could be a tasty meal for a hungry Allosaurus. Scientists think that baby Apatosauruses could run quite fast on their two back legs when they needed to get away. So, we see that the baby Apatosaurus, it cannot run as fast as Allosaurus. So, Allosaurus gets a chance to eat the baby Apatosaurus. Why does Allosaurus wants to eat the baby Apatosauruses? Because Allosaurus loves to eat other animals, and Allosauruses are also called what? Meat-eating dinosaurs. But what thought do scientists have about the baby Apatosauruses? The scientists think that baby Apatosauruses could run quite fast on their two back legs when they needed to get away. So, scientists think that the baby Apatosaurus are also very fast, that they could run on their two back legs when they need to get away. So, in this particular page, we learnt about Allosaurus, Gallimimus, and Apatosaurus. We learnt about Apatosaurus that it's bigger than Allosaurus and it doesn't require to run. But when Apatosaurus is a baby, Allosaurus could kill Apatosaurus to have its food because Allosaurus loves to eat meat of other animals. But the scientists, they think that the baby Apatosauruses could run faster on their two back legs when they need to get away from their enemies like Allosaurus. If you did not understand the lesson, you could see the lesson and hear my explanation again. Now, it's question time. So, the first question is, does Allosaurus walk on four legs? No, it walks on two legs. Next question. Let's get it difficult. Why do Allosaurus don't use their hands for walking? And if they don't use their hands for walking, what do they use their hands for? You're right. They use their hands to grab animals they wanted to eat. The animals which eat the other animals, what do we call them? You're right. They are called meat-eating animals. Well. Next question. Which dinosaur doesn't need to run and it is bigger than Allosaurus? Is it Gallimimus? No, it's Apatosaurus. Apatosaurus is bigger than the Allosaurus. Which dinosaur could run at a speed of 70 kilometers per hour? You're right, it is Gallimimus. Tell me. Allosaurus is a meat-eating dinosaur. Do you agree? Yes, we agree that Allosaurus is a meat-eating dinosaur. Tell me, which dinosaur does Allosaurus love to eat? You're absolutely right. Allosaurus loves to eat a baby Apatosaurus. Clap your hands because we have cleared the page 79 of your lesson. Let's move on with the next topic. How did dinosaurs use their tails? Dinosaurs' long tails helped them to keep their balance as they ran. When we see the pictures of every dinosaur, we could see a tail. Did you notice it? Yes, all the dinosaurs are having tails. What do these tails help us? And how they are helping the dinosaurs? The tails of the dinosaurs help them to keep balance as they run. A huge Apatosaurus sometimes stood on its two back legs to eat leaves at the top of a tree. So, we learned something new about Apatosaurus. Apatosaurus stands on two back legs to eat leaves at the top of the tree. Could you see Apatosaurus having the leaves from a tree? Yes, we can see it. Its long tail helped it to keep its balance as it ate. So, could you notice the long tail of Apatosaurus? It helps the Apatosaurus to stand and to maintain balance while it's eating the leaves from the tree. Next, we are going to learn about a new dinosaur, that is Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus used its tail as a weapon. Ankylosaurus could swing its heavy tail to break the legs of any dinosaur which tried to eat it. This is the picture of Ankylosaurus. This is the fourth dinosaur we are learning about. First we learnt about Allosaurus, then about Gallimimus, then we continued learning about Apatosaurus, and now we are learning about Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus uses its tail, as you can see in the picture, as a weapon. Okay, a weapon means a thing which is used to protect yourself from something bad. Okay, so Ankylosaurus used its tail to swing to break the legs of any dinosaurs which tried to eat. Now, tell me, which dinosaur eats the other animal? Is it Apatosaurus? No, Apatosaurus eats leaves. It is Allosaurus. So, if any animal or any dinosaur tries to attack Ankylosaurus, then Ankylosaurus uses its tail to break the legs of the dinosaur who wants to eat him. Now that's quite interesting, isn't it? Let's see. What do we got? Could dinosaurs make a noise? Most dinosaurs probably made some kind of noise. Scientists are not sure what noises they made. Did they hiss like a snake? Or roar like a lion? Or honk like a goose? What do you think? So, every dinosaur made some kind of noise. But the scientists are not sure what kind of sounds did the dinosaurs make. While we see there are many animals who make sounds, isn't it? Could you make some noises of some animals? I'll show you one. Like the cat. Meow, meow. Or the snake. Tss, tss. Or a lion. Whoa. Or a dog. Bow, bow. Now, there are many animals which makes noise. But scientists are not sure about these dinosaurs. What noise do they make? We are going to see the last dinosaur in this lesson, and that is Parasaurolophus. I know it's a big word, but let us divide the word. Parasaurolophus. The Parasaurolophus had a big tube on its head. Could you see the tube on its head? It's red in color. Scientists think that the tube made sounds like a musical instrument, loud and low. Now, the scientists thought that the tube, which is red in color and it's above the head of the dinosaur, it makes sounds like the musical instruments. What do you mean by a musical instrument? A musical instrument means those things or those instruments which you use to play music, like piano, guitar. So the scientist thinks that the tube on the Parasaurolophus head is a kind of musical instrument which makes sounds which are loud and low. Now, Parasaurolophus was a plant-eating dinosaur. So we come to understand that Parasaurolophus are same like Apatosaurus who eat only plants like leaves and flowers. So perhaps it used its loud call to warn the others when a meat-eating dinosaur was near. So dinosaurs like Parasaurolophus and Apatosaurus ate plants to live, while animals like Allosaurus used other dinosaurs as their food. Parasaurolophus made noise when meat-eating dinosaurs like Allosaurus came to attack them. So, my dear children, today in this lesson we learned about 5 types of dinosaur: Allosaurus, Gallimimus, Apatosaurus, Ankylosaurus and Parasaurolophus. Allosaurus loves to eat other animals. It walked on 2 legs. It had left its hands free to catch another animal. We learned then about Gallimimus. Now, Gallimimus could run very fast at a speed of 70 kilometers per hour. We then came to know about Apatosaurus. Apatosaurus is bigger than Allosaurus, but when its baby tries to stay with the mother Apatosaurus, Allosaurus tries to attack the baby Apatosaurus. But they use their 2 back legs to run away from meat-eating animals like Allosaurus. We also learned that all these dinosaurs use their tails to keep a balance as they ran. Well, a huge Apatosaurus, huge means big. A huge Apatosaurus stood on 2 legs to eat leaves of the tree. You could see on this picture how an Apatosaurus is trying to eat leaves from the tree. So we can understand that Apatosaurus eats leaves. Then we learn about Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus uses its tail to kill any other dinosaur who comes to attack him. And it also used its tail to stand while it's eating. Next we learned about Parasaurolophus. Now, Parasaurolophus had a big tube on its head. This tube made musical noise which was loud and low. Parasaurolophus are same like Apatosaurus who loved to eat plants, and they used their tube to call and warn other dinosaurs if any meat-eating dinosaur like Allosaurus was near them. So, wasn't this lesson interesting? You also increased your general knowledge by learning about 5 types of dinosaurs. Your homework will be posted on WhatsApp. Also, a diagram to understand these animals will be posted to you. Kindly look at the pictures and try to understand the life of different dinosaurs we have learned. Till then, goodbye, and we will come back with a new lesson. Bye.